guys, it's 3 a.m. in the morning and it's thunderstorming outside and I can't sleep. So I thought I might just make a cup of tea because I can't sleep really. So I'm just gonna make a cup of tea now. I like it to be quiet when I sleep. It's too much noise for me to sleep, to be honest. I just wished I slept before it started, but I just didn't sleep before I started, so oh gosh. Okay, a lovely end to eat. It's so loud. We did need it because after the obviously heat wave was still going on, but oh, it's just so loud. And I got my window open as well because it's too hot, but it's so loud, guys. I can't sleep. 3 a.m. in the morning, seriously, I need to sleep. Assalamu alaikum everybody. Hello everybody, how's everybody doing? Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Nazma. I do weekly vlogs and some Islamic shorts. I hope you guys are doing alright, and I hope everybody had a fantastic Eid. It's been raining a lot after Eid. Actually the Eid night it started raining. You've probably seen previously the thunderstorms that night that I couldn't sleep. So yeah, so it's my day off today, so I'm just gonna go to Home Bargains as always to get a few bits and then see where the day takes me. So maybe you could come along with me. I hope everyone's doing all right. Very casual outfit today. Popped a jacket over it because it's still a bit nippy, but yeah, I hope you enjoy my vlog, guys. So you like this one? Yeah, we tried this one, we tried the other outfit and see which one suits you. I went to you, we love this. I think it's like really summery. Okay, so isn't this a bit thick? It's not very summery, is it? No, it's open. It's empty. Yeah. Guys, I'm on my way back home and I went to Home Bargains, went to my sister's mum's house. I just got this strawberry matcha from Greg's, guys. Where is a strawberry? I can't see any. I had this matcha from Costa that day. It was absolutely delicious, strawberry one. But there's hardly any strawberry in here. It's just like water. What? This is not a nice matcha at all, guys. I would recommend matcha from Greg's. I would recommend from Costa. This was actually £3.60, guys. It's a rip-off, and Costa was just a bit more dear, but it was delicious. But this is £3.60. Like, it's just watery, no strawberry. Home now, guys. Like, nothing exciting. Just got some toilet rolls, some Home Bargains, got some wipes, some mini potatoes, some milk. Nothing exciting. Some bean bags. I did say nothing exciting. I just got this Nescafe Gold Blend coffee for my coffee machine, so I didn't have any coffee left, so this is a must, guys. Need to keep awake. And just got some boring paracetamol for my migraine, nothing else. But yeah, I'm just gonna put these groceries away now. Well, I haven't got much groceries, but I'm gonna put these away now, guys. I've got an evening shift later today, so I haven't got much time left. So I've got an evening shift that I need to go to later on. So I've got to go and return a parcel on the way, because I'm in that area today where I can drop my parcel off. So I think I'm gonna go and basically like drop my parcel off in Next at the same time. My favourite coffee ever. I'm gonna put this in the pot in a bit, actually. And I've got my wipes. I can't live without wipes, guys, especially kitchen wipes. It's good for doors, it's good for everything, basically. This is my potato basket. Just kind of cool down after the heat wave, guys. You know, like for a couple of days after Eid, and the heat wave was so bad. It's cooling down a bit now, but it's raining quite a bit. It's a bit humid, but not as hot as it was, guys. You know, my last vlog I showed you went to 39 in my car, 39.40. Looks nice. Oh god, okay, great. I was trying to show off, you know. Yeah, it's gonna put this back there. It belongs. I'm hungry now, so I'm gonna come back late from work. So I think I'm gonna make a chapati and have some curry with it. My sister gave me some curry earlier, so I'm just gonna, because I went to Home Bargains, then obviously I took my nephew shops as well. Then after that I'm gonna, what did I do after that? Then after that I went to see my sister. I dropped him off home, went to my sister, then I bought the matcha on the way home, which is disgusting, guys, from Greg's. It's disgusting. £3.60, and it's all water and it's got no strawberry. Don't like it at all. I had one from Costa and I loved it, so definitely recommend the Costa one. Definitely recommend this local shop I go to, Bakewell. I love their matcha. It's really nice. But yeah, definitely do that. So then I'm just gonna make that chapati now, because I'm gonna come back home late. Obviously I'll eat again later, but I'm gonna be starving, so I need to eat now, basically. Yeah. flowers, guys. Look, it was tiny when I planted them. It's getting quite big. Got these are looking really good as well. Ooh, there's beautiful flowers blooming. These were tiny as well. If you look on watch one of my vlogs, you'll see them. They were so like small and they weren't bloomed at all. And that one looks gorgeous. That was tiny. Look at the flowers. They're so beautiful, guys. And actually, ignore my grass. It's going to get done this Sunday. These are looking nice. Let's have an update on my herbs. Let's see what's going on here. That is the snack pepper orange. That was tiny as well. You can see some new leaves blooming. This is my tomatoes. Hopefully these should be growing into tomatoes anytime soon. I can't see any buds yet, but hopefully they'll come up. Guys, look at this. This is my lettuce. This is doing so well. Wow, I can eat these soon. Look at that. That looks gorgeous. I don't know what's going on here. These are peppers, but they're extremely long. So I don't know if peppers are gonna, I don't know. We have to watch this space and see what happens with these. They're extremely growing, quite long. I don't know where they're going, but they're going somewhere. That's my coriander. That's not coriander, that can be taken out. That's just a weed. Okay, yeah, get that one out. Yeah, that's weed as well. Yeah, that's all coriander, guys. It's doing good. This is cucumber. I don't know what's happening here, but we'll see if we get any cucumbers on this. And that's my mint. That's really good. Oh, it smells insane. I might make some mint chutney, tomato chutney or something with them. So this is an update on my herbs right now, guys. So yeah, I'll keep you updated